CCTV Menteri Sorkar uba pet ya katanat pule puthi uba lakman rumboi ulong bakani kejala kadai kejala kabaya tali hanrai kaba penya pher yangi kadai tang namar ka Ktien namar ba ukhasi umnang bankran Garo bat ugaro umnang bankran khasi bat kani kadai kadaw kaba bu jinge uba remboi ulong ba wadla mauru tang ban Niew we arlai haga Ktien Garo ru umnang bat dai na kani kadaw ulong ba ka Sorkar kalawan rano da ka jingmut ban Pynrung no ya ka Ktien Garo hagi lower primary school hangni hari lom khasi jantia khanang baki khana kinnang tang ya ka badon kame khanang bakin la bantep ya ki babun ki e shapang jala ulaong bakani kandai ka jings dang ka baret ha ka ba onla ban wen khandiat ya kani ka jings ho ya pher hapadeng ki khasi bat ki Garo uba lakman rumboi ulakran ya kani ha ka sngi barakhi ya ka Meghalaya di ha bakmara.
A very happy Meghalaya Day to each one of you who are present here today. So my dear friend, I'll talk only on one topic which very dear to my heart, that is education. Just imagine 23,000 SSA ad hoc teachers will benefit with one determination of the government under the able leadership of our Chief Minister that we will introduce a new pay structure by the 1st of April. And not only that, we fought, the Garo Khasis Jaintia fought for the statehood together. We are united in the state, but divided by language. I don't know how to count 1, 2, 3 in Garo. We are one state. That's why the government have introduced, at least in the lower primary school, Khasis should learn some basic Garo and Garo should learn some basic Khasi, so that this division in the people through language, we will try to minimize it as much as possible, so that the state will be, as it is, united in everything, in development, united in understanding the basic thing, the basic culture of different part of the state. Not only that, we know 50,000, more than 50,000 students pass every year in their SSLC. What they will do? How many government jobs? And we have seen that we are trying to move for education, to acquire education, knowledge through education. But sometimes if we didn't get job, we don't know what to do. That's why the government of Meghalaya is introducing the community integrated skills learning. This will transform the livelihood, the thought process in the children. It will empower the student that nothing is inferior, everything is equal. I will learn whatever it is there. So these are the basic things that we are evolving as the state in the last 54 years. And the people of the state should take the opportunity with, under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, what we can do more. It is a very important. That's why, my dear friend, let us work together. Let us work together If we are united for one cause, nothing can stop us. Nothing can stop us. But if we try to pull each other, it is very difficult for us. So let this Mekhala Day look back and let's look ahead with a purpose, and let each and every citizen, let us contribute something in whatever capacity into building a new Meghalaya, a bright Meghalaya, and a future Meghalaya where every stakeholder will be happy to call them, we are Meghalayan. God bless you. Mithila, Jai Hind. Thank you. Khuble.
Thank you.